So we got some big news from SoFi this morning, guys. They're expanding their loan platform business with a $5 billion agreement with Blue Owl Capital Funds. And initially, the stock popped to, I think, $12.30 roughly. And then at market open, we dumped as the entire stock market is dumping. And I feel like if stocks in general were up today, SoFi would be up big time. So we're going to break down the charts in this video, my thoughts, and of course, the news we just got, which I hinted to in the, intro here. So guys, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. We're on the road to 100K subs and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks. So guys, if you want 30 free stocks and you want to help out the channel, check out that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive into it. So like I said, we got this news this morning. The stock popped initially, but then at open, we collapsed from $12 and about 10-15 cents to now $11.58. We're down about 4%, 4.5% from open, as every index now, the S&P is down 1%. All of them are in the red. QQQ's down 1.4%. Dow's down 1%. The Russell's down about 1.25%. So before we dive into the charts here on SoFi, the indexes as well, let me show you this release on SoFi's investor relations page. Big news this morning, guys, and I want to dive deeper into it right now. So we can see right here the headline: SoFi expands loan platform business with $5 billion agreement with Blue Owl Capital Funds. You guys can see right here, they finalized an up to $5 billion loan platform business agreement for personal loans with funds managed by Blue Owl Capital, which, if you guys didn't know, they're a leading asset manager with over $250 billion in assets under management. And this move marks SoFi's largest loan platform business agreement to date. You heard that right, the largest to date, which is huge. And SoFi's loan platform business refers pre-qualified buyers to loan origination partners, as well as originates loans on behalf of third parties. And the 2-year deal with Blue Owl Capital managed funds reflects the growing demand for personal loans from members and debt investors, and advances SoFi's strategy to diversify revenue streams with less capital intensive and more fee-based sources of revenue, which is huge, guys. Fee-based sources of revenue. I'm loving that. And I think Noto said here, he said, this represents the largest single commitment for SoFi's loan platform business and is 2x our first commitment, or 2 times our first commitment, enabling us to help more members get their money right while also diversifying toward less capital intensive and more fee-based sources of revenue. Like I said, Noto also said, and by the way, Anthony Noto, for the small percentage of you that don't know, he's the CEO of SoFi. He also said, we're thrilled to work with Blue Owl Capital and build on the strong momentum in our loan business in 2025. Blue Owl is excited to be partnering with SoFi to help meet the growing needs of customers through their loan platform business. This was Ivan Zinn, head of alternative credit at Blue Owl. He said SoFi has been expanding credit access to more people with innovative solutions, and we see a strong opportunity in being part of this growth through this strategic program. And get this, guys, in 2024, SoFi's loan platform business originated $2.1 billion of loans, and through its loan platform business, SoFi earns fee income to originate loans on behalf of partners while retaining servicing rights. So this is big, guys. Very, very big news. Again, This is over 2 times their first commitment. Again, now they're doing, or it's $5 billion, this agreement with Blue Owl Capital Funds. And this is a very, very reputable firm. Again, they have $250 billion in assets under management. That is, well, a lot of money. Let's just say that. So I'm pumped. I'm excited. And like I said earlier in the video, guys, I think SoFi stock would be on a tear right now if, well, we weren't in this, let's just say, crappy type of stock market that we're in right now, where obviously we've been downtrending, right? There's a lot of volatility, a lot of uncertainty, and there's not, much movement into these higher beta growth stocks yet, right? If we were in a more normal market where the VIX wasn't as high as it is right now, I think we would be up at least 5% on the day today, but who cares? I mean, it is what it is. It's still at a pretty good value, I think. So I'm even considering now adding more shares, even at these levels. I mean, I told you guys in my recent updates here on SoFi, I'm looking to sell cash secured puts at about $9.50 to $10 per share. That would be a great spot for me in my eyes to add more. So I'm being patient with it. Markets keep on slipping. Now we're down even more from where we were just 5 minutes ago when I started the video. You guys can see now SoFi's down 3.5%. So we might be getting closer to that $9.50, $10 level, sooner rather than later. And all the indexes now are getting squashed even more. Now we have QQQ down almost 1.7%. It's not looking ideal. For QQQ. And on SoFi right now, it looks like clearly we're getting rejected at the 50 SMA on this 4-hour time frame. You're noticing that, right? At about 1250-ish, we're getting hit there. Same thing on these indexes, right? SPY's getting hit at about the 50 SMA. We outlined this descending triangle in my video earlier today. Make sure you guys go check it out. It looks like that is starting to play out. It looks like, right? This descending triangle, we just hit a fresh low on SPY, just now, literally, from the last, or a fresh multi-week low on SPY, probably a multi-month low now that I think about it. Yeah, multi-month low. Another one was hit today, and same thing, not same thing on QQQ yet, but it looks like it's trending in that direction. You guys can see we have a descending triangle. 465's coming up, which is a big support. If that breaks, we might be going lower. And that would be another multi-month low for Triple Q. So, hey, some good news on a red day. I'll take it, right? I'll take it, better than not having good news on a red day, right? So SoFi, despite the stock being down, whatever it is now from $18, percentage-wise, what's it down now? It's down about 35-40%. Despite that, the company's still making, of course, why wouldn't they? They're making big moves. The growth is there, right? The company is going to continue to grow. And you got to realize, guys, the stock's still up in the last couple of months, 55 to 60% from where it was just back in October. It's still up a lot. So I'm fine with this. I'm happy with this stock still. I'm in it. You guys know I've owned it for about a year and some change now. And I'm up a lot still. And I'm just holding on to it. Again, looking to accumulate more shares now via cash secured puts. And that's what it is. I think the company's in great hands. Noto is a great CEO. He's making the right relationships, expanding the business. I'm very excited. So it's a patient waiting game with this stock. I mean, again, I'm already up a lot. I'm sure a lot of you guys are up a lot as well. But I'm holding this for many more years to come. This is not a short-term trade. I'm looking to buy more here on the dip for a long-term hold. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Join the free email list down below. like the video here. Make sure to subscribe and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo while the deal lasts. Deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, what are you waiting for? Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.